Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CR-V oil. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Crucially, have 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter ready. Always check your owner's manual for the exact oil type and viscosity, usually 0W20, to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Proper preparation makes the entire process smooth and efficient. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your Honda CR-V using a jack and jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 17mm bolt, on the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old, dark oil to flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to wear gloves to protect your hands. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, reinsert and securely tighten the drain plug, being careful not to over-tighten it. Finally, let's add the new oil. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol, and remove it. Carefully pour the recommended 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil into the fill port. Replace the cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.